Hello everyone, it's another day, another tutorial. So one thing I want to show you here is that welcome to Wild Creativity Studio. So in this particular tutorial, I just want to show you how to add fonts into your laptop, directly to your PC, direct to your Photoshop. So a lot of people are asking me how to get add font to their Photoshop or to their PC. So in this video, this is what we are talking about in this video: how to add fonts from downloading from website to your computer that you see it on in Photoshop. So in any software that you are using to design. So let's go straight to the point. Let's go to the so what I want to just search here is also let me search for star stabilo font. So you can see it. This is how you just go to your after you click any font that you want to add. Assuming this is the font that you want to add, let's use this for example. So you click on this design, this font like this. They have an alternative site that you can download fonts. So assuming this is the site that you are downloading the fonts. You just click it on it like this. So you can see it, the font is already downloading. So the font is already downloading. You just locate it. You locate it in your file. So let it load like this. Locate it in your file. So assuming this is the font in your PC like this, and you can see the one that you download. This is on PC. You just right click here again. Let it load. But if you do not have this WinRAR and this particular Explorer that you can use to extract, you can use this one. You can see this particular one, extract all. So because I have this WinRAR, so if you know the spelling in the comment section, sure you can drop it. So you just go to extract to stabilize. So that is it. You can see it is already extract. You open it like this, you can see it's already on extract. So one thing, you can double click it to show you how the fonts look like. You can see you just click install because I've already have these fonts in my PC. So that's why I said that the Stabilo medium font is already installed. So do you want to replace it? I'll say yes because I already have these fonts. So it's very simple. Let's go back to our Photoshop. You can see. So let's go back to our Photoshop. Let me assuming I want to change this font like this. So you can see the font is already loading to my Photoshop already. Even if I use Corrector or any software that somebody can use to design, the font is already in my system and in my Corrector, in my Photoshop, all software I'm using, the font is already there. So if I search on it like this, search the font that I can see it, the font is already there. So I'll just click on it like this. It's very simple. You can see it's already there. It's very simple. So let's go. Let me show you another one again. If you don't understand, let's go back to it again. Assuming I want to search for another one. Let me go back again. Let's search for Poppy font family. You can see it. You can download any font in any site. Once you just type the font in Google like this, you can download any site. You can see it. Let me download in this particular. You can see it's already loaded. So this is the fonts. This is the fonts. You can see this is the fonts. So I think this one is showing us how the font works. You can see. Let me download it. Click download. The font is already downloading. You can see it like this. It's already downloading. So let it download finish. As you can see, it's already done. It's already done. So let it load. That's it. Let me extract it again. That's it. Let me extract it. That's it. It's already extract. It's already extract on my PC. So let me press Control A. So just I'll hold Control. So this one is not part of the font. I'll just right click here like this. I will install because I have this font already on my PC. You can see it's already installed. So let me go back to my Photoshop. Let me look for, okay, let it load because it's already in Photoshop already. So don't know. So any font that you already download in any browsing to your PC and you extract it, is already automatically in every software that you are using. It's already in software you are using. So it's already in your Photoshop is already. You can see it. Let me search it for popping. Poppins. That's particular font that I will download. You can see it. It's already in my Photoshop already. So it's very simple. So it's very simple. Let me go back again and let me go back to this particular WinRAR if you do not have. So let me show you how you can download it. Let me go back again. WinRAR download PC. You can see it. We have many more. This is the first person. This is the first one. You click on it like this. You see it. I don't know which bits that you are using. So my system is already 64 bits. So you just click here like this. I've already have it on my PC. So let me download it again because for the purpose of this video. So let it load. Download finish. Can see it. It's already done. It's already done. So it will locate into your system directly. So this is it already. You will just right click here like this. Just right click here like this. You can see it. Right click here like this. You can use WinRAR run as administrator, so you can run it because of I've already have this on my PC. So this is how you can download it. So that's I've already have it. No need to install it again. So thank you everyone. If this video is very helpful, very give you value and very help you very well. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and tell me what you don't understand in comment section so I will know. Be hesitate to reply you, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to notify when I upload any design or any tutorial like this. So thank you very much. I very appreciate it.